So hello students, so today we'll do question number 7, 8 and 9 of exercise 10.1 chapter 10 mensuration. Okay, so let's see what we have in question number 7. In question number 7 you have to find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are given, that is 10 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So we know that if we have to find the perimeter of any polygons, what we have to do, we have to add up all the sides. So question number 7, you will write perimeter of a triangle, that would be equals to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Now what are the sides given in the question? It is given 10 centimeter plus 14 centimeter plus 15 centimeter, and now just simply you have to add all those numbers and the required answer would be 39 centimeter. Fine, so this is the required answer of question number 7. Now let's move on to question number 8. Now let's do question number 8. Question number 8 is very easy. Now what is there? Find the perimeter of a regular hexagon. Now the words is written regular. First of all we have to understand what is the meaning of this word, these two words. Regular hexagon. Okay, now hexagon is a polygon of 6 sides. Okay, 6 sides, remember that. Okay, so regular hexagon is a polygon of 6 sides, and when it is saying regular, students, regular, that means all the sides and all the angles should be equal to each other. All the sides and angles, all the sides and angles will be equal. Will be equal. So these two words are very important. That is, if any, with any polygon, if this word is written regular, that means you have to think that that particular polygon, in that particular polygon, whatever it is, hexagon or pentagon or heptagon, whatever it is, all the sides and the angles would be equal if this word is written. Initially, if this word is written, then you have to think it in that way, that all the sides and all the angles are equal. Now we know that hexagon is a 6-sided figure with all the sides equal and all the angles are equal. Now let's proceed with the rest part of the question. So find the perimeter of a regular hexagon with each side measuring 8 meter. Now each side measuring 8 meter. So this is a hexagon, student. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is a regular hexagon in which all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Fine. And the measure of each side is given as 8 meter. 8 meter given. So all the side will measure 8 only. As since all the side are of same measurement, fine. So what we have to write? Perimeter of regular hexagon equals to how many sides we have in hexagon? 6 into side. So this is the formula of perimeter of a regular hexagon. Okay, or you could have done in that way, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. This also is right, but as because all the sides measures equal, so I have written 6 into side. That means 6 into what is the measure of each side? 8 meter. So it would be 48 meter. So the answer of question number 8 is 8 meter. Now let's move on to sum number 9. So now we'll do question number 9. So what we have in question number 9, find the sides of the square whose perimeter is 20 meter. Now you do not have to find the perimeter this time, as because the perimeter is already given in the question. So perimeter of a square is given, and it is given 20 meter. So sir, if perimeter of a square is given, so what we have to find out? You have to find out the measurement of each side of a square. Now this is a square, and we know that square is a polygon whose all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. It is a 4-sided figure whose all the sides are equal. Now what is the formula of a perimeter? Now always remember that if any polygon's perimeter is already given, okay, mostly in squares, in rectangles, in equilateral triangle, in regular pentagons, they do this type of questions. Fine. So when you see that the perimeter of any polygon is given, fine, then what you have to do is you have to compare this value with the formula of that perimeter of that polygon. Fine. So what is the perimeter of a square? What is the formula of a perimeter of a square? We know that when all the sides are equal, so the perimeter of a square would be what? 4 into side. As we did in the last sum, regular hexagon, 6 into sides. As because all the sides of a square are equal, so what is the formula of a perimeter of a square? 4 into side. So we'll compare this formula with this value. Okay, because we have to find out the measurement of each side. What is the measurement of each side of the square? So on the next line you have to write that 4 into side, as because the formula of the perimeter of a square is what? 4 into side. Now you have to compare this formula with this value, that is 20 meter. Fine. Now as because you are supposed to find out the measurement of side, so you have to take this 4 towards right hand side. Okay. So on the next step what we have to write? Side is equals to 20 divided by 4. Okay. Now 20 divided by 4 is what? 5 meter. That means the measurement of each side, that is this would be also 5, this would be also 5, this side will be also measure 5, this side will also measure 5. Okay, so the measurement of each side of the square is 5 meter. This is very, very important. This type of questions will hold 2 marks. Fine, as because of the logic that is been used here. Okay, so that's it for today's session. Thank you boys. God bless you and take care.